Honey Royce Tubino on your screens as the Lady Perps are down by 8. And our first look ngayon para dito kay Girlie Beltran. Kakapasok lamang para sa Arellano. Tubino, sinubukan si Sagun. Beltran, free ball naman galing dito kay Balse. Argarin, Tubino, saradong pintuan galing kay Balse.
If you look at the front row ngayon ng Arellano, what a front row. You have Balse, Bautista, and of course the setter, si Ticar.
Ano makita mo naman yung timing doon ni Ging Balse.
Tarang perfect timing.
Girlie Beltran. Diaz. Argarin. Cases. Nice angle. Ticar ngayon para kay Ging Balse. And again, yung quick set. Nakakalimutan siguro na marami na sentro talaga laro nito si Balse.
Tsaka siya si Balse.
Oo.
Parang hello.
Yes. Pero again, kulang sa height itong kupunan ng Perpetual kumpara dito sa Arellano. Beltran serving again. Combination na ngayon para kay Joy Cases. Balse, Bautista, Condada. Running attack, Tubino. Mintis. Nahanap ni Tubino kung tumama doon sa sulok.
Pero Tubino, makita natin medyo she's struggling here in this match so far.
Lahat sila. Reception pa lang, hirap na eh.
Speaking of reception, in terms of digging, Noel, Arellano, 25%. Perpetual, 5%.
Wow.
Success rate ito.
Yan ang tinatawag mong first game jitters, pero it just so happens that itong kupunan ng Perpetual playing their first game in the second week of competition na.
That's true.
20-8, Beltran. Diaz, Argarin, Tubino, kaliwa na ginamit. Ticar, Bautista, Cases, Argarin, Tubino, pinadaan sa kamay ni Ging.
You can see, the difference of the eras or the generations. Si Tubino is current, contemporary, and then classic naman si Balse.
Tapos magkapwesto pa silang dalawa. 20-9, Joy Gazelle Cases. Diane Ticar, down the middle for Nene Bautista.
Pinasagulang. Diba?
Beach volleyball move. Walang tao daw doon, or kung may tao man doon, di na makakaabot. 21-9. Tambakan po nangyayari dito sa ating first set as Bautista serves it to Condada. Sartin. Nice dig there by Ibiza. Back set ngayon for Balse. Argarin. Down the middle for Honey Royce Tubino.
Yeah, that's the Honey Royce Tubino that we know. Mga angled quick hits.
But again, you sort of feel that Perpetual is still adjusting to the loss of Sandra De Los Santos in their lineup. It's not every day na nawala sa'yo yung reigning MVP ng liga.
Exactly.
Henson! Buhay pa. Up. Tumama daw sa antena. Tama ba yung basa ko doon na rin? Jess Villarreal with the call?
That's the call of Jess Villarreal. But he's conferring
with the linesman ngayon. Baliktad. Yan ang nakita ko rin. Baliktad dapat. 21-11. Arian Argarin now. Guest player and only setter on the team.
Only setter.
Ticar, kulang sa height. Sa lundag yan, saka sa kanyang actual height. 21-12. Argarin again serving. Ticar, back set, Balse. Coverage is there for Henson. Henson free ball. Argarin, Sartin. Henson nahawakan pero hindi na naibalik.
When you look at the front row naman of Perpetual, that's a very familiar sight. You have Sartin, Diaz, Tubino. Yun yung siguro yung power front line nila ngayon.
Well, that's a great serve from Argarin. Ticar did well to get that one in. Tumama sa ulo ni Tubino. At sabi ni Tubino, nahilo ko. Naimbierna pa pagkatapos.
Another turnaround shot, but that one goes into the net.
Nahilo na, naimbierna na, nasigawan pa. Lahat eh.
What a bad day.
Isang play lang yun, ha? If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Diane Ticar. Nice read by Condada, the new libero. Vima Condada. The great hairstyle.
Enemy.
Annie Royce Tubino serving once again for the Perps. Ano ba nagpauso ng Perps? Si Andre Mulia, no?
I have no idea. Sa'yo ko narinig eh.
Nakiuso lang eh. Oh, Sartin! Nice down the line.
That's what quickness can do for you. No? You have a blocker in Sagun and Balseb. She cut.
Tingnan mo yung taas ng lundag muna ng Sartin.
Given na yun eh.
Time out, Arellano. Kay Ticar talaga, it's loaded. Of course, Sheila Pineda, we call her the franchise of clips.
Yun yung hashtag, diba?
Set up now for Henson.
Kala
Sartin
mo
is
may
there.
Twitter.
Nax! Nakiki-hashtag ka na rin, ha? Mag-hash ka nga dyan. Puntos para sa Perpetual, as apparently there is a net violation. Albert Javier is asking for clarification. 22-16. 6 na lang ang hinahabol dito ng Perpetual. Nice serve by Tubino. Balse plays it short. Ticar. Balse on the spin. Sagun for Balse. Diaz gets to it. Arganin. Sartin. Nakahabang itong si Sagun. Third ball coming up from Cases.
3 balls.
Ticar. Quick set again to Mary Jean Balse. Umaandar talaga yun, ano?
Oh, but you know, you cannot put just one blocker against Mary Jean Balse. Talagang yun yung may court sense, may
Right.
experience na. She knows exactly what to do.
Shirley Salamagos comes back into the front line. They need her height. Balse serves. Argarin. Combination. Diaz. To whom it may concern kung ginawa ni Diaz nun. Ticar out of position there. Sagun. Condada. Sartin. Back row attack now from Joy Cases. Yes!
Easy does it. That's a miscue between Nene Bautista and Henson.
23-17. Dumidikit na naman ang Perpetual. Although Arellano is 2 points away from claiming this first set. The pint-sized phenom, April Sartin. Diane Ticar. Elaine Sagun. Yes! Sagun finds the line. At si Condada ay nahanap na, saan kayo dun sa likuran ko?
That's right. Medyo Sagun, forte niya yung down the line. Ano?
7 set points now for Dana Henson and the Lady Chiefs. Great serve again. Bautista. Argarin. De La Paz. That's her first point of the game. Actually, first attack niya yun of the game.
200%.
Yeah. Rochelle and De La Paz. Cutting the lead down to 6, pero 6 na set point pa rin yan para sa Arellano. Nori Jane Diaz. What a serve. Ticar. Bautista off the block. Diaz can't keep it alive. And then Bautista will end the first set with a win for Arellano, 25-18. Tignan natin ang ating shaky play dito na rin.
Well, that's right. That's Mary Jean Balse of old. All the fans will love that slow-mo.